previous class we are discussing this application now. So I have now P is equal to 0.4. Now I have to substitute all the values in the formula. So now here first of all we have to take this 1.15. Next you can box it. Okay, then you can see easily. So here next what we have, it is forward. So that means back. Back step means down. Next upward. So this one. Next again down. Next again up. So that's why here I hope you can understand. Now here also you can stop this procedure because here we have del power 4 now. So you can cut. Otherwise here we can go for the next one. Okay, so like this we have to take the procedure. Now here directly yp is equal to, what is y naught? 3.1582 plus p into, so here p into p is 0.4 into del y naught means 0.1619, okay, plus p is 0.4. I am taking that 0.4 minus 1, that is 0.6 minus 0.6 we will get by 2 factorial means 2 del square y minus 1, that is 0.0079. Okay, so up to here finish. Next plus p plus 1, that is 0.4 plus 1, 1.4 into 0.4 into p minus 1. P minus 1 means, just so I calculated, minus 0.6 by 3 factorial means 6 into del cube y minus 1. Del cube y minus 1 means 0.0004. Next plus del power 4 value. So obviously here now see, no need to take the calculation because actually here 0 into something will be 0. Actually here నాకు ఏమొస్తుందండి p plus 1, that is 1.4 into 0.4 into some value into del power 4. Del power 4 value is nothing but 0. So obviously what is this value? 0. Right? And next of course here we have the 0.0001. Obviously it is a very near value to 0. If you want then you can. So now see here del power 4 value is 0 plus here it is nothing but obviously 0.0001. So now all these values are near to zeros. So ignore. We can ignore the values. Now it is nothing but 0 plus 0. Now so on 3.158. Del power 4 0, del power 5 0, del power 6 0. Okay, now this one. Now here 0.4 into 0.1619. 0.06476. Next here 0.4 into 0.6 equal to, divided by 2 into 0.0079. Now it is minus 0.30948. Next minus 1.4 into 0.4 into 0.6 equal to, divided by 6 equal to into 0.0004. Here we will get that 0.0000224. Now here what is the final answer? 3.1582 plus 0.06476 minus 0.000948 minus 0.0000224. Now it is 3.221986. Actually here what they asked, they asked to find that yp. Yp means e power 1.17. Here we have that 1.15, 1.20. So the value will rise between 3.1582 and 3.3203201, and they took up to 4 decimals. So that's why here what is the final answer? 3.2219 we have. So simply I am taking 1. Okay, so now here Otherwise, simply you can take that up to how many decimals they took? Yeah, 0042. Now here we have this one. Okay, so now 3.15, yeah. Done. So this is nothing but the value. Otherwise, here 9, 8 now. So we can actually, we will write that 9, 8 means 10. That means we can write 3.322. 9 means 1. Listen, here we have 9 now. We can add 1 decimal here. And here what I have? 8. So here we have 9. So we can add here 1. That means 322. And next here 8 I have. So simply we can take that 1 also. There is no problem, and you can take this value also. It is also correct. Okay. So this is nothing but Gauss forward and same application. Now I am giving one homework. Same application you have to solve by using backward. So backward means what you have to take? This value. And next downwards. First of all up, then next downward, then next up, next downwards. Okay, so next the formula is y naught plus p delta y naught, and of course here g1 dash, g2 dash, so on. Now here p into p plus 1 by this, p minus 1 into p plus 1. Same formula you have to, same question you have to consider, but the formula is backward. That is homework to you. Next, put a side heading, Stirling formula. Stirling formula. Now write down. Taking the mean of Gauss forward and Gauss backward, Gauss forward and Gauss backward, we obtain, so here what we have to take? We have to take both values, for Gauss forward and Gauss backward. Then we obtain one formula, that is, write down, y2 is equal to y naught plus p of del y minus 1 plus del y naught by 2 plus, okay, for this one the sum, mean, okay, next plus p square del square y minus 1 iti corresponding, okay, plus p of p square minus 1 by 3 factorial of del square is finished, now cube y minus 1 plus del cube y minus 2 by 2. Every time it is mean we are taking. So mean means x plus, a plus b by 2. So that's why like this one, plus p square minus 1 by 4 factorial into del power 4 y minus 2 plus so on is called as Stirling formula. Actually here we will take that the same thing, same table like x naught. For the previous one we consider Gauss forward and Gauss backward now. So in that what we are taking? So we are getting that some x naught, y naught, right? And the above value is del y minus 1 and it is del y naught. Next del square y minus 1 and it will be del square y naught. And next the middle value is del cube y minus 2. Y minus 1 and so on. So now here x naught and here first of all we have to take y naught. Next the mean of these two 11 mean of these two. Next mali with देन क्या approach होता है? Only one value. Now we have to take this value. So plus p square into del square y minus 1. Next mali ikkada split అవుతాయి. Okay, ikkada oka value వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఇలా. Okay, so for Stirling formula we have to take like this. Otherwise I'll give the table, by that you will get you can understand easily. I'm taking only few values, x minus 2 x minus 1, x naught, x1, x2, y minus 2, y minus 1, y naught, y1, y2. Now del y minus 2, del y minus 1, del y naught, del y1, del square y minus 2, del square y minus 1, y naught, del cube y minus 2. Okay, if you will get next, of course here if you have almost 2 more values, then the table will increases. Now see here x naught, okay, to y naught. Next for this string means mean we are taking, so first of all we have to take that like this, y naught is finished plus p of the sum of these two by 2 into p. Next again it approaches to one value, p square del square y minus 1. Next again it splits. Okay, next again the mean of these two, again this approaches to one value. Like that we have to consider. This is nothing but string formula. Okay. Next put a side heading. Bessel's formula, B-E-S-S-E-L' formula. Bessel's formula. Write down. This is a very useful formula for practical interpolation. And it is given as yp equal to y naught plus, right, as it is, p del y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into it is somewhat different from the string. So in the string we are taking mean, and in Bessel's the formula is somewhat related to the forward. So now here del square y minus 1 plus del square y naught by 2. So if you observe this one, they took that y naught, after that simply directly the mean, but here after y naught they consider only single value, that means only one step. Next to mean. Okay, now write as it is, ma. And here it is p minus 1 by 2 by 3 factorial into del cube y minus 1. I will see the table, how to take the table values for this one also. No problem. Do well. I think it is 2 only. In the textbook they gave a wrong mistake. Plus so on. Okay, here they considering that only 1 by 2 now. P minus 1 into P minus 1 by 2, and the next values are same. P into P minus 1, P minus 2, and so on. Okay. Now table. So take the same values, but don't take that any boxes. Just take the value. No need to take any lines. For Bessel, I will give the lines. Alright, as it is. Okay, so now here in this Bessel formula, what we have x naught y naught. In Stelling formula, next they took the mean. Okay, but here what we have to do in Bessel's, we have to go back. That means down step del y naught. Now here we have to take the mean. Del square y minus 1 plus del square y naught. This value. Okay, next. Again the same middle value del cube y minus 1. And next here this. If we will get any value here, then we can take that one also. Like this, the procedure will go on. So this is nothing but for the Bessel. So for the Stelling, first of all, x naught, y naught. After that, mean. That means we have to take both values, like less than symbol. But firstly, here we will get less than symbol. And for the Bessel, first of all, back. The next, less than symbol. Okay. So these are nothing but the formulas of Stelling. Stelling means after y naught we will get like this, and for Bessel we will get like this. Okay, so now write down one problem. The following table gives the values of e power x for certain equidistant values of x. Equidistant values of x. Find the value of e power x. Find the value of e power x when x equal to 0.644. 0.644. Okay. So now here first of all I am going to take the table values. Okay. Now here x values. Like what are x values? Already they gave the table. In the question, take this table. 0.61, 0.62, 0.63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Okay. Next, e power x. Write as it is, ma. Okay. So for this one, actually what they are asking, Stelling formula as well as a Bessel also. Already here I wrote the Stelling, and where we have to find 0.644. That means it lies between these two. Remember that one. Next here what we have to find? Del. So del means the subtraction of these two. So then what we get? So directly here I have the values now. So I am writing 0. Write down 0.018. If you want, then you can calculate. This one minus this. Next 1.877610 minus 1.858928. That is 0.018682. Next 0.018871. 0.01960. Next, del square value. That is 0.000185. Just I am giving the applications, ma. If you want, then I will give the few more applications as a homework, and I will solve all those and I will share. Okay. 191 0.000194. Next, del cube value. So for del cube, what I get? This one minus is 0.000004. 5 zeros we will get. Next 0. Next here 9 2 0.000 4 5 zeros 2. Next 0.000003. Okay. Del power 4 value. 0 minus this minus 0.0004. This one minus this 0.502. 0.501. Next here this one minus this. So of course you can because here 0.000 5 zeros we have, it is a very near value to 0. You can stop up to here, otherwise if you want then you can proceed. But what we get, it is a very near value to 0, which is negligible. So that's why here I am stopping with this. మీకు ప్రీవియస్ అప్లికేషన్లో కూడా చెప్పానండి, 0 ఇలా వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ మనకి మ్యాథ్స్గా 0 కి నియర్ అయిపోతుంది. సో నౌ హియర్ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ the formula. Now we know that Stirling formula is, take it as equation number 1. Here what we have to know? We have to know that the value of the P, right? Now x equal to x naught plus pH. And what is h here? 0.62 minus 0.61, that is 0.01. Okay. Now here what we have to find? We have to find at x equal to 0.644. Now 0.644 equal to, what is x naught? X naught means this value we have to take because it is a near value, na? So x naught. Okay. Otherwise here, if you want, I think it is better to box mark, so then you can see clearly x naught, and next it is y naught. I think నేను కొంచెం క్రాస్ రాసాను అనుకుంటా, సో మీరు అది క్లియర్ చేసుకోండి. ఇదేమో x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Now it is y naught, y1, y minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 3, and y1, y2, y3, x1, x2, x3. Clear? So next y naught. For Stirling, what we have to do? Directly we have to go for mean. That means these two values. Next middle value. Next okay. So like this we have. Now what is the x naught here? X naught is 0.64 plus p into h. Therefore p is equal to 0. Now calculate 0.644 minus 0.64 divided by 0.01. It is nothing but 0.4. The value of the p is 0.4. Now by equation 1, Stirling formula, Stirling దగ్గర underline చేయండమ్మా. Now here yp is equal to y naught. What is y naught? 1.896481 plus 0.4 of del y minus 1 means 0.018871 plus 0.019060 by 2 plus p square. P square means 0.4 whole square into del square y minus 1 means 0.000189. Make a formula guర్తులేకపోయినా, if you remember the procedure how to take the values from the table for the Stirling formula, directly you can take the formula like this without taking that one also. But it is, I think it is better because for the formula definitely you will get 2 marks. Okay, minimum 2 marks. Now 0.0 this one. Next p into this one, p square into del square. Next p into 0.4 into p square, 0.16 minus 1 by 3 factorial. So directly we wrote the 3 factorial. Now see the Stirling formula. Yeah. Okay. Now 2 factorial means, of course, here p square. Yeah, p square by 2 ma. 2 factorial. P square by 2 factorial. Now 3 factorial of del cube. Del cube means 0 plus 0 point how many zeros? 5 zeros. 2 by 2 plus p square 0.16 into 0.16 minus 1 by 4 factorial means 24, and of course it is 6 and it is 2, and that into del power 4 means 0.000002. Now directly 1.896481 plus, now see here what I am doing is 0.018871 plus 0.019060, okay, divided by 2 into 0.4 directly 0.0075862 plus 0.5 whole square ma divided by 2 into 0.000189. It is 0.00001512 plus 0.4 into open bracket 0.16 minus 1 close bracket equal to divided by 6 equal to into open bracket 0 point how many zeros? 5 zeros. 2 divided by 2. Now it is 0.8 zeros, 7 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, and of course it is minus. Next one, 0.16 into 0.16 minus 1 divided, okay, into 0.000002 divided by 24. It is minus 0.7 zeros. 7 zeros, 1, 1, 2. I hope now you can understand why I stopped up to here. See, if we are going for the next value, see here what I will have 7 zeros. That means it is a very near value to 0. Now what will be the final answer, ma? 1.896481 plus 0.0075862 plus 0.00001512 minus 0.7 zeros 5 6 7 zeros 5 6 minus 0 point again 7 zeros 3 4 5 6 7 1 1 2. So now here the answer is 1.9042. Actually I got that the answer is 1.90408223, and here how many digits they are taking? 1 2 3 6 digits. After the point 6 digits they are taking 1.904082. After 2 what I have? 2, so that's why 4082. This is nothing but the answer of e power, what is x value? 0.644. Like this you have to calculate the stealing. So for the stealing what you have to do? First of all here you have to go with a mean. After why not? Mean, next median, next again 2, next median. And now here for the same application we have to solve by using Bessels. Okay. So now in the next class I am going to discuss about the Bessels, and after that we will discuss one more application. Okay. I will give the same application, but I will change the value of the x only. Okay. So with that we will finish this topic, and yeah, in the next class I will continue.